Good afternoon, class. How are you today? Yes, very good. So I hope that you're feeling good because today we will be having an interesting and exciting lesson. But before that, please bear in mind these house rules. We have 1, 2, and 3 rules. First, you are not allowed to speak in Filipino, but English only, please. Second, observe silence. And lastly, participate actively. So, what do you think is this? Yes, it is a box. But what do you think are we going to do with this? Yes, you'll be guessing something that is inside this box. So, let me tell you the instruction. So, our activity is what we called what's in the box. Okay, select one representative from the class. So, who wants to be the representative? Okay, the representative will describe the object in the box and the rest of the class will guess if what is inside the box. So, are we clear with that? Okay, any question before we proceed? Okay, very good. So, you only have 5 minutes to perform this activity.
Go.
Okay, very good. So, you've guessed what is inside the box. So, once again, what is it? Yes, it is an earphone. So, what do you think is the essence of our activity? Yes? Very good. So, our activity is to recall our previous topic, which is adjective. So, very good. And when we say adjective, it modifies the noun or pronoun, or simply it gives information to the subject that we are talking about. So, have you ever tried riding using a train? Okay, very good. So, today you'll be riding again but with a twist. So, I have here prepared a train. So, you have to do is to choose representative from every group. So group 1, 2, and 3, and 4, kindly choose one representative. Yes. So next, the first member will write the first wagon, the name of the object in the picture. So for example, this is our picture. So what do you think is it? Very good. That's apple. So, the second, third, and fourth member will list words that describe the object. So, I will list down words that describes apple. For example, the apple is color red. So, we have one apple. And lastly, the apple is yummy. Now, I have listed 3 words that describe the apple. So next, as soon as the fourth member of the finishes the word, they will show the word train into the fifth member. So they will show this one into the last member of the group. So the fifth member will construct one sentence out of the words on the train and raise his or her answer once finished. So do you understand our activity? Very good. So I will give you another 5 minutes to compose this activity. So group 1, this is your picture. Group 2, this is your picture. Group 3 and group 4. So your 5 minutes starts now. Okay, very good. Group 1, 2, and 3, and 4. You've done it well. So, what have you observed with your trains? Yes, very good. You have listed one or more adjectives. So now, is it possible to use 1, 2, 3 or more adjectives in a sentence? Okay, so for you to be able to know the answer, let me show you this chart. So in English, we usually use more than one adjectives, but we are not going to place those adjectives wherever we want. So we have to follow the proper order of adjectives. So we have this acronym, NOS has come. So N for number, O for opinion, S for size, A for age, S for shape, C for color, O for origin, material for M, and P for purpose. So now, when we say number, it describes the number of nouns. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4. So in my train, do we have number there? Yes, very good. We have number 1. So next, O for opinion. So when we say opinion, it describes your judgment, or what do you think about something. For example, you are thinking that something is horrible, that I am beautiful. So that is opinion. Okay, who can give me another example of opinion? Yes, very good. You may say that something is ugly. So is it clear? Very good. So next we have size. So when we say size, it describes how big or small something is. For example, huge, tiny, long, and tall. So you are describing something by its size, or how big or small it is. Next, age. So when we say age, it describes how old or young something is. You may say that your grandmother is old, so that your phone is new, that your sister is young. So that in that way you are describing if someone is old or not. So another, shape. So when you say shape, it describes the shape of something. It could be circular or square. So what do you think is the shape of this one? Yes, very good. It is in circular shape. How about this one? Very good. This is in rectangular or square shape. So is it clear? Okay, let's proceed. Color. So when you say color, it describes the color of something. For example, black, red, blue. Okay, another example of color. Very good. Pinkish, dark, or light. Now, do we have here a color? Yes, very good. Red is the color of the apple. Very good. Next, let's proceed. Origin. So when you say origin, it describes where the noun is from. It could be Chinese or Italian. How about here in the Philippines? What is our origin? Filipino. Very good. Any question? Or example rather? Okay, very good. It could be Greek or German. Very good. So next we have M for material. So when you say material, it describes what the noun is made of. For example, wooden and leather. So what do you think the scissor is made of? Yes, very good. It is made of plastic. The handle is plastic, and then the sharp part of the scissor is made of steel or metal. Very good. Next is purpose. So when you say purpose, it describes where the noun is used for. For example, fishing and sleeping. So where do you think the scissor is used for? Very good. The scissor is used for cutting something. So do you have any questions? Okay, if you don't have any question, I have question. So, in English, is it possible to use many adjectives in a sentence? Yes, very good. So our question earlier was being solved because we can use more than one adjective in a sentence, but let us remember how to arrange it properly by remembering the proper order of adjectives. So do you have any questions? None? So let us proceed with our next activity. So I have here a box. So what do you think is inside this box? Yes, very good. Inside this box are papers with words that are written on it. So now, all you have to do is to pick one paper and then identify what type of adjective it is, and then you're going to paste it in our order of adjectives chart. So once you've picked a word or a paper inside this box, you're going to paste it in the board. Okay, so this one, how do you read this one? Writing. Very good. So writing, and what type of adjective is this? Yes, very good. Writing is a purpose. Again, when you say purpose, it describes where the noun is used for. Very good. Next is, this one is 100. So what type of adjective is this? 100? Okay, who we guess? Very good. 100 is in the number type of adjective. Okay, so what is number again? So number describes how many numbers that you are describing the noun. So next is Mexican. So what type of adjective is this? Mexican? Yes, very good. This is the origin. Next one, ancient. So what type of adjective is this? So when you say ancient, you are referring to the age of something. Very good. So when you say ancient, those are happenings from the past, way back ago. So next, we have Canadian. Canadian is what type of adjective? Very good. It is here in origin. How about this one? Shopping. What type of adjective? Very good. This is here in the purpose column. Next, faded. So when you say faded, you are describing the, very good, the color of something faded. Next, how about this one? Yellow. Yes, this is in the color type of adjective. How about youth? So when you say youth, you are referring that something is not old, but it is youth. Very good. Next, we have tall. When you say tall, yes, very good. This is in the size column. Okay, next, we have few. So when we say few, this is in what type of adjective? Yes, very good. This is here in number. So you are saying that you have only few, but not many. Next, we have round. So round is what type of adjective? Very good. This is the shape. So when you say round, it is similar with circular or circle. Very good. Next, metal. So when you say metal, you are saying that something is made of metal. So this is in what column? Very good. Material. We have another word, flat. So when you say flat, you are describing the, very good, the shape of something. Next, Pretty. So you are saying that I am pretty? Oh, next. Pretty is here in opinion. Very good. Next is glass. So glass is what type of adjective? Very good. Material. Next, good. What type of adjective? Yes, very good. Opinion. And last but not the least, we have large. It is in what adjective type? Very good. Size. Great. So you have completed the chart. So let us look at it again. So number, we have 100 and few. Opinion, pretty and good. Size, tall and large. How about age? We have ancient and youth. Shape, we have round and flat. Color, faded and yellow. Origin, Mexican and Canadian. Material, glass. This is glass and metal. And lastly, purpose, writing and shopping. So do you now understand what is our lesson? Very good. So I have here another set of tasks. So as you can see, we have 4 different colored envelopes. So yellow, red, pink, and purple. So this envelope contains different words inside it. So now, yellow is for group 1, group 2 is red, group 3 pink, and group 4 is purple. So what do you have to do with this one? Okay, very good. You have to arrange the set of words that are inside this envelope. So I will give you 5 minutes to answer that one. Are you ready? Okay, 1, 2, 3, start.
Go.
Okay, very good. Group 1, 2, 3, and 4. So here are your work. So let us read all together. Group 1. I ate 5 tiny chocolate bars yesterday. So how many adjectives do we have here? Yes, very good. We have 3 adjectives, namely 5 for number, tiny for size, chocolate for material. Very good. Next, from the group 2, the funny young Indian boy shows his tricks. Very good. So, how many adjectives we have here? Okay, very good. We have another 3 adjectives. Funny for opinion, young is for age, and Indian for origin. Very good. The work of group 3, I saw a lovely emerald engagement ring. So how many adjectives do we have there? We have 3 again. So lovely is for opinion. Another? Yes, emerald is for color. And lastly, we have, very good, engagement for the purpose. The work of group 4, we have here donated several rectangular cotton sports towel. How many adjectives do we have there? 3, are you sure? Yes, very good. We have 4 adjectives. Those are several, rectangular, cotton, and sports. Several for numbers. Very good. Rectangular for shape. Very good. How about cotton? Very good. Material. And lastly, sports for purpose. So, I think you have already understood our topic. I will give you this last task. So, your task is what we called my favorite. So, for group 1, so the first group, your group is named as the Junior Master Chef. So, you have to make a sentence describing your favorite menu. Is it clear? Yes, very good. Next, group 2, you were called as the botanist. So you have to make a sentence describing your favorite plant. Is it clear? Okay, next, group 3, you were called the historian. So you have to write a sentence describing your favorite national hero. And lastly, fourth group, the gamers. So you have to describe your favorite mobile games. So you are going to write a sentence with your task group. So first, second, third, and fourth. But you have to remember this scoring rubric. So since it is a group work, you have to cooperate. So cooperation is equivalent to 10%. Time bound. So I will be giving you enough time to make your task. That is equivalent to 10%. Creativity. So when you say creativity, you are allowed to use different words, flowery words. That is equivalent to 10%. Relevance. So when you say relevance, is it related or it is important as described by your group task? So that is equivalent to 20%. And lastly, grammar in focus. So when you say grammar in focus, you have to apply the order of adjectives. So that is equivalent to 50% and a total of 100%. So is it clear? Okay, very good. So I will be giving you 5 minutes to make your task. Okay, are you ready? Okay, go. Okay, very good. Group 1, 2, and 3. Give yourselves a round of applause. Okay, so you have presented your task well. So now, before we end, I have here your assignment. In your notebook, paste a picture of your favorite person. So it could be your mother, your sister, your brother. So anyone who is closest to your heart. So, and then in a paragraph, describe the picture observing the proper order of adjectives. So you are going to write a paragraph. Paragraph is 3 to 5 sentences. So you have to remember the order of adjectives. So how it is placed. Okay, and of course, you are going to underline the adjectives or the describing words that is used in your paragraph. So is it clear? Okay, very good. So that's all. Thank you. Good day.